Das nächste ist eine Coverversion. Und das einzige weihnachtliche Kreuz, das kommen Glocken. Aber es hat mir so gefallen, weil das ist
There's a village hidden deep in the valley, among the pine trees half full. And there on a Sunday morning, little Jimmy Brown was born. All the chapel bells were ringing in the little valley town, and the song that they were singing was for baby Jimmy Brown. And the little congregation prayed for guidance from above. Lead us not into temptation, blessed is hour of meditation, guided with eternal love. There's a village hidden deep in the valley, beneath the mountains high above. And there 20 years thereafter, Jimmy was to meet his love. All the chapel bells were ringing, was a great day in his life, 'cause the songs that they were singing were for Jimmy and his wife. And the little congregation pray for guidance from above. Lead us not into temptation, bless the Lord for celebration, may the life be filled with love. From the village hidden deep in the valley, one rainy morning, dark and gray, a soul went its way to heaven. Jimmy Brown had passed away. Just a lonely bell was ringing in the little valley town. Was farewell that it was singing to our good old Jimmy Brown. And the little congregation prayed for guidance from above. Lead us not into temptation, may his soul find the salvation to thy great eternal love.
The Free Bells, ganz neu aus 1959.